Hey you guys, how you doing? My name is Henry from Blending with Henry. I am so excited. I have been waiting for this day to finally come. I'm going to introduce to you my brand new YouTube channel. It's been a long time coming. A while back I did express to you guys that I had a health scare. Now the good news is my body is on its journey to recovery. Now one of the things I wanted to do to improve my health was to change my diet. Now I've always been a very healthy eater, but I decided to reduce my carb intake and to eliminate sugar. Now, just to be clear, you guys, I'm not talking about substituting sugar by using bananas or dates or even agave syrup. Those things actually contain sugar, so they'll cause a sugar spike in your blood. Now, I am a real person, okay, you guys? I do not like stevia. Sorry, you guys. And I don't like artificial sweeteners that leave a harsh aftertaste. So I found a better solution. And you guys, I get it. I'm human too. Everyone on some level has a sweet tooth. So, sometimes you have that craving for a creme brulee or a cheesecake, something sweet that just tastes really good, but you don't want all the sugar. Now, you guys, I am no dietitian, but I do know that carbs also convert to sugar. So I created some great recipes that are going to be on my new channel that's going to bring us back to some of the old great stuff that we enjoy eating but can no longer due to carbs and sugar diet restrictions, right? So the new channel is called Low Carb, Zero Sugar Henry. So you guys, please be kind and help my channel grow to success. I've been putting a lot of time and effort into it and it's going to be great. If you're watching this on the Blending with Henry channel, please use the link below and click on it. It'll take you over to the new channel, Low Carb Zero Sugar Henry. So you guys, to celebrate my new channel, I'm doing a huge giveaway. Of course, right? And it'll be my biggest giveaway ever. Ha! Now you guys, Blending with Henry is not going away. I do a lot of my product reviews there. But on the new channel, you will see some of the things I enjoy using, such as my Breville control-freak Induction Cooktop. It's my all-time favorite. Nothing beats it. I will be making some low-carb, zero-sugar recipes in the Vitamix X5 quite often, and I'm also going to be making drinks and desserts with whipped topping from my ISI cream whipper called the Easy Whip. I will be making some tasty protein-based recipes using the Blenditup protein powder. Now, over the years, I've always shown you guys about Blenditup protein powders. I love Blenditup. Remember, I don't know if I told you guys, or if you know, that they are the ones who discovered me on YouTube. And so I've been so eternally grateful. But after I tried their products out, of course, they're fantastic. So that will be shown as well as some other Blenditup products. So you guys, now you know my favorite kitchen tools. The Breville control-freak Induction Cooktop, the Vitamix, the Easy Whipped Cream Whipper, and the Blenditup protein powder. The Breville control-freak Induction Cooktop, the Vitamix, the Easy Whipped Cream Whipper, and the Blenditup protein powder. Are you getting it? I hope so. To celebrate the new Low Carb Zero Sugar Henry, I'm giving away all 4 of these to 4 lucky winners. Let's do it. I really want the Low Carb Zero Sugar Henry channel to grow, which is why I'm doing such a big grand opening and a big giveaway, some wonderful prizes. So this is all a collective effort. Let's all help each other here. I'm trying to help you guys put out some great content. Help me out. Connect with a lot of your friends on social media. Alert them about the contest, especially some people that are close to you, because you have a higher chance of winning one of these great prizes. Please be sure to get everyone you know to like and subscribe to the Low Carb Zero Sugar Henry channel. This is going to be a huge launch, you guys, so I'm really excited. So here are the contest rules. Come celebrate with me on the grand opening of my new YouTube channel, Low Carb Zero Sugar Henry. It's a new channel for all of us. Now the giveaway contest is called the Mystery Gift. Now, of course, the prizes are not a mystery, but each of the 4 winners will not know what they are getting, and that's the mystery. To enter the Mystery Gift giveaway contest, you must subscribe, like, and leave a comment on the new Low Carb Zero Sugar Henry YouTube channel. Now, in the comment section below, tell me what you're looking for in low carb, zero sugar recipes. What are your guilty pleasures that you wouldn't want to give up simply because you're adjusting your dietary lifestyle? And you must also include hashtag low carb, zero sugar Henry. The announcement is also posted on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, also known as X. Now, if you're coming from those social media platforms, make sure to post your username and where you're from, such as @blendingwithhenry on Instagram. Now, I will reach out to inform the winners through messaging on those platforms, but winners will be chosen only from the comment section on the Low Carb Zero Sugar Henry YouTube channel. The prizes are limited to one giveaway per mystery gift, so the giveaway is for USA residents only. The giveaway runs from August 11, 2025 through August 25, 2025. So come celebrate and support my new YouTube channel and check out the first 2 delicious low carb zero sugar recipes posted. Now I have so many more coming, you guys. Best of luck to everyone and thank you.